This footage was taken on the 12th of January 2025, and in this footage you can see the preparation of the main A4 road to be paved today. I have also noticed a section of the second entrance to the Morant Bay Urban Center leading up to the Paul Bogle Hall have been paved. This will also be a quick update due to the fast transformation of the Morant Bay Urban Center. This building is the Justice Square, and you will find the Parish and Family Court and a police post located here. It also comes with a basement parking. This seems to be the most beautiful building out of all the others. Do you agree? Straight ahead you can see a section of the commercial zone. Up next is a full-service tax office that will have a Registrar General Department which deal with the registration processes like your birth, death, and marriage certificate. It will also have a Passport, Immigration, and Citizens Agency, all under one roof. At this corner of the commercial zone, there will be a Burger King fast food restaurant. And if you are concerned about there is too much fast food restaurants on the compound, you don't have to worry. I'm sure that there will be a lot of authentic restaurants inside the commercial zone. I have come to find out that this building that is closest to the second entrance will be the Popeyes restaurant. In these views, you will notice the parking spaces coming forth. This will be the main entrance to the commercial zone, and the name of this entry point is none other than Jamaica's national hero, Paul Bogle. Here will be called the Paul Bogle Hall. This section located to the left of the Paul Bogle Hall will be a huge and very modern supermarket for all the groceries that the residents of St. Thomas and Morant Bay will need. Straight ahead is Jamaica's favorite chicken spot, KFC, fast food restaurants building. And we are known for having the best KFC chickens around the world. This will be the main entrance to the Morant Bay Urban Center, and you can see the construction of the security post. This open space will be the location of the Heritage Park, and it will also have a jogging trail and space for socializing. This building is the only structure that is left of Goodyear, Jamaica, and it will be the home of the BPOs. In Jamaica, we call it call center. Up next is the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean for the tertiary education. And it doesn't end there. We also have two buildings coming up for the Hard Trust NSTA for the technical and vocational training. This building shares two titles, the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation and the Town Hall. The Town Hall section is located to the rear of this building. but you'll be seeing more of it coming up soon in the video. This building in its advanced stage is the National Commercial Bank, NCB, which plays a major part in the development of the urban center and will also play a major part in the Portland Urban Center that already broke ground. These two large buildings is the industrial zone, and this is where you will find warehouses for storage, etc. Moving east of the industrial zone is the Archus NSTA buildings, and this is where the residents of Morant Bay and St. Thomas will be taught vocational and technical skills and also training.